Good morning. The start is likely to be a good one thanks in part to the continuation of the global rally. Infosys will be in the spotlight. More than Q4 results, market and analysts will focus on the FY13 guidance. IP data has been pretty erratic over the past few months, raising doubt about the accuracy in the numbers. Even the RBI governor had expressed his exasperation about the wild fluctuations in IIP data. But the sharp downward revision in January IIP numbers have stunned most people. Some time ago, the government had revised its export figures as well. The reliability of the economic statistics is under serious threat. Still, the downbeat IIP numbers have increased the odds of a rate cut on April 17th. Stock indices in the US and Europe surged while most Asian markets are higher this morning. China's GDP grew by 8.6% in Q1 calendar year 12 versus 8.9% in Q4 calendar year 11, lower than consensus estimate. China's March retail sales rose by 5.2% year-on-year, while March industrial output climbed 11.9% year-on-year. South Korea has left rates steady. North Korea's rocket launch has reportedly failed. Singapore's economy did well in Q4, growing by almost 10% quarter-on-quarter. Spanish Premier said his country will not need a bailout. Meanwhile, the IMF managing director says world leaders need to work together to address the threats to the global economy, even as the conditions improved. The FIIs were net buyers of Rs 1.35 billion in the cash segment on Thursday, while the domestic institutional investors were net buyers of Rs 2.37 billion as per the provisional figures released by the NSE. The FIIs were net buyers of Rs 4 billion in the FNO segment on Thursday, according to the provisional NSE data. The foreign funds were net sellers of Rs 3.71 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday, according to the SEBI figures. Mutual funds were net sellers at Rs 1.5 billion on the same day. Moving on to recommendations, the technical calls for the day are: we recommend traders to buy Canara Bank above Rs 471 with stop loss placed at Rs 463 and for the target price of Rs 489. We recommend going short on Tata Steel above Rs 448 with stop loss of Rs 458 and for the target price of Rs 428. Our derivative strategy for the day is short ONGC April futures above Rs 264 for the target price of Rs 254 and a stop loss placed at Rs 269. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.